Hello everyone. Today we will see topic number 7, meshing in ANSYS Workbench. So we'll see on the software in a practical way. As in the earlier sessions, we have already assigned the materials and we have already created the geometry. Now we are gonna mesh it for this geometry. Now for that, double click on the model analysis. So this is the geometry we have earlier created in our sessions. First of all, we will see the materials that we have assigned is correct or not. For that, we have to click on geometry, then click on solid. Here you can see the assignment of the material as structural steel. If I want to change the material right from here, I can change it. So if I want the cast iron as the material for this geometry, I will directly click on it. Now here you can see the material assignment has changed from structural steel to cast iron. Now the next is the meshing. So for the meshing, we have to just click on the mesh and right click on the mesh and click on generate mesh. It will automatically generate the default mesh for this geometry. Okay, now here the details of the mesh that we have displayed here. So now for the sizing, here you can see the sizing of the material. So the space angle center are three types, that is the coarse mesh, fine mesh and the medium mesh. So as per the requirement, we can change to coarse mesh to fine mesh also. Then next is the statistic. In the statistic tab, there is a notes and a number of elements for this mesh has to display here. So number of nodes are 1041 and number of elements are 150. So as per the mesh requirement, it can change. If I change this mesh angle center from coarse to fine mesh, the nodes and the elements will change automatically. Now we will change from coarse to fine. Now here you can see fine mesh we have already changed, and we'll click on update. So it will update the meshing system. Now you can see here span angle center is fine mesh system, and in the statistics our nodes and the elements got changed, but you cannot edit the nodes and the elements right from here. You have to change the span angle center, I mean what kind of mesh you want, if you want to change the nodes and the elements. Thank you.